Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to tell you how to get crying face filter on Instagram. So guys, to get such sad crying face filter you need to install Snapchat app. Then open it and then go to explore section. Then you will get search engine. In search engine what you have to do, just type crying. Then you will get crying filter at the top. After that add this filter to your favorite. Just click on that heart, then it will be added to your favorites. Yes, see, this is in your favorite section. Then if you want to create video, so what you have to do, click on it and hold it and swap it to lock. Then you can create video about 1 minute. So you can save it and then upload it to your Instagram account. So that's it guys. If you like this video then please subscribe my channel and like, share this video. Please support my channel.